But me never want cartel win because a cartel fans them.
So footahype would have said something where whole heap of people having in their mind, but them not so stupid for say it out publicly. So me I telling you why people like footahype would have go against the fan base. It's because him a go after Vybz Kartel and Vybz Kartel nah pay him no mind. So him go after the fan base instead. So it's just a classic case of you can't catch Quaco, so me I catch him short. I am DJ Dreadbeard and this is Real Talk.
This is Real Talk.
Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yo people, welcome back to a brand new episode of This is Real Talk and I'm your host DJ Dreadbeard. And people wanna know how the format go already. If a real talk me make at the end of the video, drop a real talk in the comment section. Like the video if a real talk me I make, definitely subscribe if a real talk me I make so you can hear more real talk. Set the notification bell to all. So when I drop a next Real Talk, you will be notified. And if you want to support the channel, the link to the PayPal I go there in the description and it are there in the pin comment. So yeah man, so footahype forward out and him talk brawling say yo, him never want Vybz Kartel for win simply because a gazanation. And this is why it good for have vloggers like me out here. Usually back in the days, a man that tell footahype say yo, go suck your mother, your bad mind, ray. Yeah, that are the response where footahype and the rest of them would have used to. Yeah, we can tell them that, but also me out here for going to the psychology why them would have go after the fan base. Yeah, so basically as me say in the intro, it's just a classic case of you can't catch Quaco, you catch him short, and footahype wouldn't be the first person to attack the Gaza nation. This the Gaza nation call them duns, low IQ and call them sheep. You remember the word the sheep? Yes, Sir P would have forward out with the concept about sheep. Like, when you watch Sir P channel, like over 50 times, like every other day, Sir P mention Vybz Kartel clip. Like him pull up the clip with Vybz Kartel and say, yo, people are like sheep. And when him do, him change the narrative and say Vybz Kartel call him fans sheep. But what Vybz Kartel they really say is people are like sheep. Generally like people, Jamaican, USA, Canada, people in the world are like sheep to feed them artists, not necessarily Vybz Kartel, but to whatever artist, Kendrick Lamar, Drake, Taylor Swift. People are like sheep to whosoever them want to be sheep to. Like your church mother, your church sister, your father, we are Christian, him a sheep to probably the pastor. The pastor will probably agree of the whole of the young boy them, but if you tell him, or you tell your mother, or your grandmother, them run away and say, no, not my pastor. So, on grandparents, parents are sheep. So, if we are going to follow the concept there of sheep, everybody are sheep. You're probably a sheep to your boyfriend or your girlfriend, what they call man clone or girl clone. You probably be a sheep to your partner, because them a clone you out. But you would understand, say, Sir P would have called the Gaza nation sheep, and everybody would have run with it, and everybody would have laugh with it. The reason why the sheep name they like, it would have so-called stick pan Gaza nation because people agree with what Sir P say. People agree say, yo, Gaza nation are sheep, them follow Vybz Kartel, so that is a way of attack the fan base. May I attack Vybz Kartel and him not answer me? So may I go after the fan base. At least me know say the fan base I go tell me about my mother and tell me some bad mind and all of them things that Sir P loves say. Them a tell me some bad mind for views and all of that, at least him feel good about himself or footahype or whosoever attack the fan base publicly. So at least them feel good about themselves and it fuel them. It's like a rage bait or whatever when them say them something there. Because here Vybz Kartel now answer me. Me can't get a reaction out of Vybz Kartel, but me get a reaction out of fan base. So me still feel good about myself. At least Vybz Kartel hear me attack him and see him fan base in him defense. So Vybz Kartel hear me. That's how them feel about themselves. But as I say, people like me they out there where when I go give in to them little bullshit there, you see me? Yeah, so it's a classic case of me can't catch Quaco, me catch him shot me out there and me had this Vybz Kartel for years and him not answer me. Me had this him fan base here man, because at least if me this him fan base him me had this. Them little style it no work for me. Because watch this. Why you not call Gaza nation sheep? Because them a wait for Vybz Kartel 13 years. Because if him set him ticket them very expensive, it still sell out. Like why? Like You know how much artists want a percentage of gazanation, want the loyalty, like every artist that them dream. That is part of being an artist, for have a fan base. So that's where the hate come from, because the whole of you do music, whether you play a sound, or you a DJ on yourself, you work on radio, you was a has-been, you do comedy, like whatever, you don't have a fan base. You just have regular people who listen music or regular people who love comedy. You do not have a fan base. So that's where the envy coming from, because I'm sure you want a fan base.
This is Real Talk.
And yo, me still up on the sheep thing, because remember, it's an attack, you know. And that's what Footahype just do. Him just done attack the fan base. Yo, one of the reasons why me praise the Vybz Kartel now win. And one of the reasons why I don't like Vybz Kartel. So watch this. This is something funny. So watch this. This is something where me always a laugh about, you know, when Sir P day in prime, you know, me always a laugh about this, you know. So he must say, yo, Gazanation are like sheep. See? If Gazanation was like sheep, like the whole of Gazanation would have bleach out, tattoo up, and look like Vybz Kartel braid. Whatever Vybz Kartel say, the nation that do. That's how sheep and shepherd, right? When you see the whole Gaza nation bleach out, and even one day when Vybz Kartel dip on the drinks champ, he make sure make a disclaimer first before he big up Alkaline. So if Gaza nation was like sheep, why Vybz Kartel would have need to make a disclaimer? When him could have just big up Alkaline and the whole Gaza nation say, yeah man, Alkaline a good youth man, Vybz Kartel say my good youth, so we done. Vybz Kartel say my good youth, so we not call him Batty Wash and Brata Boss again. You see me? Because a sheep mentality that. We not diss him because the boss not diss him. You hear how stupid that sound? For you call Gaza Nation sheep, but yet still, Vybz Kartel himself have to make a disclaimer. So watch this. The same sheep them, you know. So watch this. The same fan base wanna call sheep, you know, are the biggest percentage of dancehall now. That's where the problem lies, you know. So when Vybz Kartel will put him ticket them a 500 US and it sell out, and next man, no other artist can run them joke there. Because watch this. If Valiant got the out a stadium car park, you know what I'm saying? Gaza Nation would act as a casual fan and go out there. Yeah, but Valiant himself don't have the die-hearted fans. That's why I say all of them artists would want a percentage of Gaza Nation, like some loyal fans where if Valiant say 50 US film ticket out a stadium car park, you know say it a go sell off. So this is how Gaza Nation do. Gaza Nation will full up a whole 20k arena, and Beenie Man and Bounty Killer affair beg and a ball, and I say unity in the community. That's when them want Gaza Nation support, you know. You remember that? When Beenie Man and Bounty Killer did have them arena show, and everybody a post up Beenie Man and Bounty Killer arena, and I say everybody for support dancehall, and no Vybz Kartel alone on for support. You remember the little saga there? Yeah, so Vybz Kartel have 80% of dancehall. Like the Gaza Nation will act as casual fans to other artists. What I mean? The same Gaza Nation will go a Bounty Killer show, and Beenie Man show, and Valiant show, I do on a show, Movado show. But guess what them now do? Them now spend a big buck. Them now spend $500. So that is what the fan base is all about. Them a support. Them a go buy, them a go stream the music, and them a go to your concert. So even though the genre don't have a big first week sale and all of that, but the genre a support Vybz Kartel same way. Him alone still have gold independently, silver independently. Him alone still a sell out arena. So you could laugh and talk about the first week sale look low. By overtime, him have the biggest sale in an album. It always happen. When I check it up for the year, him a lead. Because guess what? You always run out of steam. You always look good upon the first week sale. But at the end of the year now, you hear say the album of Vybz Kartel it a lead. It sell how much 100,000 copy or it stream how much millions and them thing there. You see me? We see it time and time again when one album rush out and the first week sale look good, but at the end of the year or 2 years from now, we don't hear nothing from it and you see Vybz Kartel. You hear say, yo, it a stream this and it a stream that same way. It upon top 10 album and them something there. You see me? Yeah, but in closing, where Footahype do, him a try achieve the impossible. Like him a try make Vybz Kartel distance himself from him fan base. Like that nah go happen, bro. Like no artist, no athlete, nobody now go disassociate themselves from them fan base. Like your fan base is your power. You see me? You footahype, you would wish you have a fan base. What you try make it sound like say if Vybz Kartel never have him fan base, Vybz Kartel would have life easy. Nobody wouldn't hate him. No, that's a whole lot of bullcrap, bro. When I go hate him regardless, bro. Yo, and from you put out good work and you achieve things, you have to get a fan base. You see me? You have to just put out the good work and I make all heap of achievements for have a fan base. So him never did go have life free and not have a fan base. Because of the work we him do and the greatness we him achieve, why him have a fan base. So him career, it go hand in hand. Like from a big artist and a mega star, you go have a mega star fan base. And it go be like cult like. You see me? It go be people who tell about your mother. It go be people who are liar, people are doctor. It go be everybody. It go be a faceless entity. You don't know who is who. You see me? So me don't know where your little bird brain I tell us say, bro, you go after the fan base and Vybz Kartel. I figure disassociate himself from the fan base because me I get too much hate right now and because I'm a fan base out there tell people about their mother and not this Grammy and them something. So me I figure this and no, I know so it work, bro. The man tell us him love him fan base the way there and it's a reason why. You can't have a weak fan base, bro. Nobody want a sheep fan base. You see me? A wolf. Gazanation a wolf, so when did get it twisted and that are the mistake or to make. When the things say yo Serpy did right and as a sheep, when I expect Gazanation to heal and be calm and take time, take them on out a lion mouth and all of them things that a sheep would do. But when you see the opposite now, when I cry because you don't get what you want. When you say Gazanation a sheep and expect Gazanation did go act like sheep and because them not act like sheep now, there lie the problem. See me just crack the code there. When you say Gazanation a sheep and because they are not acting like sheep, when Vybz Kartel in a privy council, they must say, hey, Paula go suck a dick and Cargo, footahype, twins of twins, all of them must say, yo, take time, take your hand out a lion mouth. That is a sheep mentality. But because Gazanation never take time, take them hand out a lion mouth, no vex. You don't get for call Gazanation sheep and them act like sheep. You can't have your cake and eat it. People, we have reached the end. You see me? If a real talk me I make, write real talk in the comment section. Like the video if a real talk me I make. Subscribe to the channel if a real talk me I make. And if you can afford it, the link to the PayPal I got it in the description. You can shot me a PayPal. You see me? Yeah, you see the red arrow point to the video is a video I do yesterday and it a go on good. The little channel I go on good, it a compete with the main channel I know with views. You see me? So big up everybody who have been and support the channel. I'm DJ Dreadbeard. This was another episode of Real Talk. Signing out.
Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.